Pilot projects are the secret weapon for founders looking to raise capital. Let's get straight into how you can use them effectively. The best way to capture an investor's attention is by providing tangible proof of concept and market validation. Forget the pitch deck fluff. Pilot projects are your irrefutable proof for successful fundraising. A pilot project is a small-scale, short-term test designed to gauge the viability, feasibility, and market acceptance of a larger idea. A pilot is a focused experiment with clear outcomes. It is not a full-scale product launch or a proof of concept still locked in theory. Investors seek to de-risk their capital. Tangible results from a pilot project demonstrate that your idea works in the real world. Using pilots gives you a massive advantage by transforming speculative projections into verifiable outcomes. Successful pilots provide irrefutable market validation. They show who is willing to pay and why your solution matters. Moving from a concept to execution proof is the most critical hurdle. Pilots provide the evidence that you can deliver. To maximize fundraising potential, your pilot must be meticulously planned with key components in mind. Measurable success metrics, or KPIs, are vital. Define what success looks like before the pilot even begins. Maintain strict control over budget and scope. Pilots should be lean, focused, and demonstrate resourcefulness. The presentation of your pilot results is just as important as the execution itself. This is your moment to shine for investors. Focus on hard data and demonstrated traction. Quantify your achievements using the KPIs you set. Translate pilot success into future scalability. Show investors how a small success can become a multi-million-dollar business. Pilot projects transform uncertainty into conviction, which is the cornerstone of any successful funding round. Use pilots to demonstrate not just what you can build, but what you can sell. This de-risks the investment decision dramatically. Start building your pilot today and turn your concept into capital. Good luck.